Hey everybody, it's Dr. Erica Wireman here with EI Medical Imaging to introduce you to the new Insight 3 LED goggles. Our customers use video headsets for a variety of reasons and in a lot of different environments. Bright sunshine, glare off of the water, or any time that a screen is not practical and it's easier to strap your ultrasound to your waist, put on a set of goggles for image viewing, and head off into the field. The i3 LED here is the latest in a long line of goggle innovation that EI Medical Imaging has created over the years. So let's see what's new and different. The Insight 3 LED weighs about half of what the Insight 2 weighed, and it comes pre-mounted on this very flexible and comfortable ratcheting head harness. It also features a locking screw mechanism on the cable. This allows the cable to be replaced in the field. So if you damage it, we can ship you a new one, or you can keep a spare on hand and you can just unscrew it and pop on the new cable. Like all of EI Medical's goggles, the i3 LED connects to your ultrasound system with an 8-pin connector like this. Just make sure that the red dot on the connector lines up with the red dot on your ultrasound machine. No twisting, straight in, and make sure you can hear it click. The optic itself attaches to the various mounting options with an action camera style thumb screw. This screw can be used to loosen and tighten the attachment to the headset, which allows you to change the angle with ease. Whether you prioritize peripheral vision or sun shielding, we have you covered with 2 different sets of eye cups for the i3 LED. As you can see, the pair that I have mounted on here have shields on the side, and these just pull right off and can be replaced with a set that does not have the shields on the side, giving you more peripheral vision. And this lets you customize your i3s depending on the environment that you're in. Perhaps most commonly, the i3s are worn on the ratcheting style head strap that it comes mounted to. It's a very customizable fit. Allows you to wear the goggles as low or high on your head as you prefer. And then of course with the mounting screw, it's very simply adjusted up or down to get the image right where you want it. Alternatively, some people prefer to wear their Insight 3 on a ball cap. We also include a large clip, same action cam style mount. Simply screws into place. Be mounted on your favorite ball cap. Under some circumstances, it might be necessary to wear the optic a little bit further away from your face. Maybe you wear eyeglasses, perhaps it's a vision thing. For those reasons, we include an additional link and an additional thumb screw. This way you can actually lengthen the arm that the goggles sit on by attaching the extra link in between the optic itself and your mount of choice. And this allows for a little bit more adjustment of positioning of the optic in relationship to your face.